Hello guys and welcome to the new video. Today we're gonna talk about the new cryptocurrency called Babygme. So guys, before we start, do your own research before any investment. I'm not financial advisor. Breaking news, Wall Street can't stop us now. The Babygme meme coin pays homage to the GameStop saga anniversary, showing that we can stand up to the big guys together. This isn't just a cryptocurrency, guys, it's a movement, it's a testament to the power of digital community and the spirit of the underdog. They have unstoppable momentum, they're driven by the community, they're completely decentralized and empowering. So how to buy? This movement is different. There will be no halts, no restrictions, no market manipulations. The Babygme Solana meme coin is 100% decentralized and 100% community owned. They are the new standard. So how to buy? Instructions are here, guys. Check it. Step 1, you need to buy BabySol from the CEX. Step 2, you need to install your MetaMask wallet, send BNB to it. Step 3, you come back on their website, connect your wallet. Step 4, copy your Babygme contract address and paste it. And that's it, guys. You enjoy your coin ride to the moon way early. You can buy it on the pink sale. Let's check that out now. Down here you can see the exchange rates. So pre-sale starts 20th of May 2024 at 14 hour UTC, lasts only for 1 hour. And the listing will be on PancakeSwap. Let's also check their tokenomics. So 66% going to pre-sale, 32% liquidity, and the unsold tokens will be burned. Also make sure you follow them up on their social media. They have the X account. They have Telegram channel with 1,600 members. If you have any questions, you can join, ask them. They'll be more than happy to provide all the answers you need. Babygme, this isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. Check the links in the description and see you in the next one.